Okay, so let's do show you how to convert from binary to decimal. Okay, so I've got some numbers written here in binary, and remember that we always thought of the last place as the ones place, so we multiply that by 2. Okay, and so this place has a value of 2. And then we multiply by 2 again, and this has a value of 4, right? So every jump, we multiply by 2. So this one's worth 8, right? And this one, multiply by 2 again, 16. So this one's going to be 64, right? Then 128, right? 256. And every time we move over to the left, we're multiplying by 2. So if I have 1, 0, 1, 1, right? That's 8. Plus 2, 10, 11. All right, so this one would be, I'll just put it in this little chart to make it a little easier for you to see. So 32 plus 16, that'd be 48. Plus 2 more, 50. Okay, then this one is 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, right? So that one's 32 plus 8, that's 40. Plus 4, that's 44. Then this one is 1, then 4 zeros, right? So that's just going to be 16. So remember, the way this works is if there's a 1, we count the number. If there isn't, we don't add it. So then we have 1, 1, 1, 1, right? That's going to be 8 plus 4, 12 plus 2, 14 plus 1, 15. And then our last one's going to be okay, so that's going to be 128 plus 64, right? So 12, 7, that's not right, that's 9, sorry, 192, okay? Plus 8, that's 200. So this one would be 200. Okay, so I hope this was helpful. And we'll see you soon. Bye.